Okay, we're going to give a quick tutorial on how to operate YouTube TV with Roku. So you're going to go over to your YouTube TV app from your home screen on the Roku. Home is always accessed by this home button on the Roku remote. Once you get the app open, it's going to be on your YouTube TV home screen, which will give you content based on what you've watched previously. You can go down and you can scroll to different categories and look at, I don't know if this probably changes based on what you watch too. So if you go to news, of course you can't see that because of the backlight, but news, and then it'll give you suggestions for you and stuff that's popular based on everyone else. If you want to find content that way, if you want to go back to your home screen, you're going to hit the back button up here at the top of the Roku remote, and that'll take you back to your home screen here. If you want to get back to the station that you're watching, this is a little bit not super intuitive. You can't hit back again because if you keep hitting that, it'll exit you out of the app. So I'm going to cancel, and you're going to go up to the very top option. So right now we're on this top menu, but if you go all the way up where it says the price is right in my case, and then hit OK, that will take you to the content that's playing in the background. So I'm going to hit back again from here, which will bring up the home menu. And if you go to the left of the center option here, this is your library. That's going to be all your recorded or saved programs. I think it saves them for 9 months is what I've heard. So anything you have saved will show up here. If you go back over to the right, you'll get to live TV, where this is kind of like a traditional TV guide. The order that the channels are in is, I think it puts the local stations at the top, and then I don't know, just goes through all the other stations. You can customize the order of this guide, but it has to be done from a computer or possibly a smartphone. It gives you the website to go to. If you go up to the top where it says your initial at the top right, that J, you select on that, and then there's a settings option, and it'll give you some other settings options to auto start the last station when you open the app and things like that. So there's some advanced settings for configuring there. Also, there's one about customizing the guide, and it'll tell you the web address to go to. So in the guide, the default order is locals on top and other stations below. You can customize that again if you want. When you're in the guide, if you're looking around and you want to get back out to TV, you decide you're not going to change the channel after all, you can hit the back button on the Roku remote here, and that'll take you back one step. From here, you can either hit up to go to the Price is Right title at the very top, or you can hit back again. Just takes you to it goes one page at a time back when you hit that back button here. So then from here, you'd go up and then OK, and that will go to the live TV that's on. So I'm going to hit back again to bring up that main menu, and that is most of what you need to know, I think. Last thing. If you're on I don't want to exit, I want to go up and hit select. So if you're on a live program and you hit I think it's up or down, either one will work to do the same thing. So down arrow or up arrow will bring up this menu. And then from here, you can hit down again and get down to more options. The little plus here is how you record. So if you want to record what's on, or add it to your library rather, you hit down and then down again and then select. And that will add this program to your library. Also, you see there's networks. This is probably the category we're in, episodes. More to watch. It's just some more suggested things. Here's closed captioning if you want to turn it on or off. And here's some other options that you probably don't need. Most likely. Oops. Oh, the other way to set up recordings or save things to your library is from your main home screen. If you go to Live, and then you're looking at the guide and you go forward in time, you can hit select and then more info, and then it'll give you an option to add to your library here. So I'm going to hit back to get back out of here. The last thing is over here on the right of your home screen, there's a little $sign and a TV. That's all your additional channels you can add if you want to add more to your subscription. And to the right of that is a search, and you can search for a program. I think you can search, it says action movies, like a category or genre. You can search for network name, so like ABC, and then you can go right to ABC if you wanted to. And it actually will take you to the ABC page, not the ABC channel. And if you want to go to live TV, you'd go live, and then you can choose what you want to watch. Rather, this is what's on now, and then this is what's coming up. It gives you a thumbnail of the different programs. So again, from the search, I just hit back to get here. From the search, ABC, I can go to ABC, and then I can go down to live and right, and this will take me to ABC right now. Or I could schedule something to record to my library by going to the right, future in the timeline, and go up to add to library. And that is that. There was also stuff below, which is going to be on-demand content. So you can go series, and you can look at American Idol, and then you can watch now, and it'll give you some options of episodes to watch. It doesn't have all of them available. I think it's based on when they were licensed to be aired on live TV. So you'll get some of them available. Yeah, so this is like all of season 2 of this show. So that's about it. If you want to get all the way out, you just hit back several times. You can hit home to get all the way out of the app, but back a bunch of times will take you back to your home screen, where you can hit the up arrow if you want to go back to the station that you were watching previously. And then when you want to turn everything off, typically you just hit the red power button at the top, and it should power everything down.